Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I got a weekend and we're at the river. We are at the Malala River today, doing some test pans and exploring, trying to find some new places to go camping and some new places to prospect. We've already been working a few spots in along the bank and down here where we're finding some black sand deposits, and we're finding some decent little gold, but we're looking for a good spot to set up for the day and just get a bunch of concentrates. So, let's go. So my first spot was right in here amongst this bedrock outcropping, and I broke out some rocks and dug this out and found a little bit of gold, and it was bigger than floop. So I went down a little further until I hit the clay and the gold disappeared. So I'm gonna find a new spot to go, maybe right over there. So you probably can't see too well with the GoPro, but we got some gold in this spot. It's a really nice spot, but I think we're gonna go down river, have a little lunch, and try a new spot. So this is the new spot we're trying. I've got a hole punched down right here. There's an outcropping of bedrock right here, and I'm punching down a hole right now, and I'm getting down to some of the broken bedrock layers. The gold was actually better higher up, so I'm gonna move over here and down here a little bit and see if I can get back onto that gold. So we're here at the third spot that we're trying today. One of these spots we're going to come back to tomorrow. This spot's pretty cool. It's got some nice walls going on, some nice big rocks, and some prior diggings going on. So while Chris is trying downriver, I'm going to work around this spot here because somebody obviously put some time into this spot. Try not to have this big old boulder fall on me. Luckily it's got that one. And let's see what we can find. So this is what I got out of the hole. Very dark. It was super concreted. I actually had to pick at it really hard to get this stuff to break up. So we're gonna see what's in here. Hopefully it's got some gold, and then tomorrow we could come and try to set up somewhere with the sluice. Let's get this in there. So here's some of the gold from this spot. Got a couple decent little pieces and a lot of small gold. We'll probably be coming back to this spot. So this spot's been a lot of fun. Spent some time digging over here, found some decent gold, but it's getting towards the end of the day and we want to find a place to set up camp. So we're going to go upriver and we're going to check out a place called the Ogle Mine. Find a good place to camp, enjoy a fire, and maybe we'll come back to this spot tomorrow. If not, we're gonna go to another place. I'll see you then. So we had a great time prospecting yesterday. We found some gold. We got to try a few places. We had a blast camping last night. We've got everything put away, but the rain has begun. And I'm not really set up for the rain today, nor is my camera gear, so we're gonna pack up, we're gonna head home, we're gonna call this quits. We got to check out the Malala and see what it's like. It's very comparable to the place that I normally go, but the gold is more evenly distributed throughout the river. We were consistently getting gold every single pan. So will I come back? Yeah, sure I will. But later in the summer, when that water level has dropped down to a safe level so that my kids can swim and I can get to some of those bigger gravels down below. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe down below, and until next time, bye. Whoa, hold on a minute. I didn't show you guys the gold. Take a look at this. So there it is, guys. We got some pretty decent gold, I'd have to say. Couple nice bigger pieces right there in the center of the frame. Couple smaller pieces over here. And there's a lot of fine gold right in along here. So thanks again, guys, for joining me. I had a lot of fun taking my family out on the Malala and doing some exploring. It's some pretty decent gold that we found, so I look forward to going back in the future. We're going to go check out some new areas though next, so stay tuned. Subscribe down below. My next video is going to be using the roly-poly magnet. So stay tuned for that. Until then, bye guys. And I can say guys because according to my YouTube analytics, 100% of my audience is male. So bye guys.